Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your... Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up with showing of starting and ending knot of Aari embroidering or the Maggam hand embroidery work, which is very important and basic to get on and become professional in the Aari work. You must know this basic important thing to start with. It's the most requested video to show the starting and the ending knot of Aari chain stitches. Firstly, I would be showing with the single strand. To the end, give couple of knots. This is how it looks. Now hold it on the index finger of left hand. This is how we have to hold the thread with the index finger. Now place this hand underneath the fabric which you are working, and you can see here this is how the Aari needle would look. To the end, it will have the hook for holding the thread. Now insert the needle into the fabric and place the thread with the index finger on that hook and pull it to top. This is how we'll pull the thread to top side. Now here we'll start with giving the starting knot, making a loop, inserting the needle underneath and pulling the thread again. Now again we got the loop. This is how we'll make the starting knot. Now we can start it either of these sides. So now I'm moving towards up side. Now we'll make the chain loops. From the index finger of the left hand, place the thread on the hook of the needle and start pulling to make the loops. This is how we'll make the chain loops in Aari embroidery. It's simple, but you need lots of practice to know this technique. Now you can clearly see here I'm making the chain loops and moving forward. This I am showing you in the slow motion so that you can easily understand. If you have any problem in understanding, please let me know through comments. Through the left hand, we have to place the thread on the hook and just start moving on to make the chain loops. And here I'd be ending, pull it a little large, this loop, and give a twist like this. One twist and pull the thread of the front from that hook. You can see here. Just holding. I'm now holding the thread of the before loop and pulling it through the twisted loop. This is how we'll make the end knot, and just pull the thread underneath of the left hand, removing the needle. You can see here I've just pulled it and you can see the lock is perfectly done. To make you clear understand, now I'd be using the double strand thread, giving the end knot, twisting it double or triple times. Hold the thread with the index finger like this. Now place it underneath the fabric. Now pulling the thread from down to up with this needle hook and make starting knot here. You can clearly see here the knot had been done. Now we can move this to downside or upside to make the chain loops. To get the perfection, you need lots of practice. Now I'm gonna end here. So made a large loop, giving one twist and pulling the front loop with this. If you think it's difficult to hold the thread, hold it with your middle finger. Just place it like this and pull the thread. It will come easily. Now pull it with the left hand so that end knot is perfectly done here. Again I'm showing here to make you clear. See, I'm giving the starting knot here and making the chain loops. And now making the end knot, just giving a twist and pulling the front loop through that holded loop, removing the needle from that loop and just from the left hand pull it down. Now you can see here the knots towards wrong side. This is how the end knot will look with the single strand and the double strand. Friends, that's all for now. Hope you understand everything regarding the starting and ending knot. Having any difficulties or any issues, you can write to me. Thank you so much for watching, friends. If you like this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.